So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you how to buy PEPE and Coinbase wallet. So firstly what you want to do is actually go ahead and go to your Play Store or App Store and then click on the App Store. Once here you will see in the top of the page from the search bar, which you will just go ahead and search Coinbase. And from there you will see the first option. It will be Coinbase, and from there you will see Coinbase wallet right underneath. Now from here you will need to download a Coinbase wallet in order uh, to do this. Once you've downloaded the Coinbase wallet, you can return and find the app in your device and click on the wallet. From here, as you can see, I've already searched for something that you will see probably this page asset now. From here you will just see transactions. uh, you will see browser just try to find the PepeCoin. Type PepeCoin. As you can see this page, PepeCoin right here. You can choose either one of those and you will see the option here. It says buy. You will see the balance right here. You will see the plus sign for buy. You will need to click on that, and from there it will link to your Coinbase account. And from there you can just buy PepeCoin through. There is so it's quite simple, and you can do it right like that. So if you find this information helpful or useful, you can like the video and click on subscribe, and see you all on the next video. Have a great day, guys.